And for more on today's stock market performance, we're joined in the studio by our regular market analyst, Calvin Tang. Calvin, welcome to the program.
Good to see you, team.
Now, the regulators, the stock indexes, and the listed companies have all been trying very hard to reignite investor confidence this week. Why haven't they succeeded?
Well, first of all, the market is very panicked right now. It is quite hard for them to absorb what this government is doing. Another reason is that the investors are actually frustrated with what the government is going to do, because according to the economic data, there should be a further rate cut. But it seems that it is not in the schedule right now. The government seems to be busy protecting the currency from devaluation and also protecting the foreign reserve from drowning off. So it seems like the market is frustrated and trying to guessing what the government is going to do next. But at this moment, they don't know what will happen, so that they try to protect themselves and trying to build more cash from the stock.
So it is very difficult to be bullish about China right now. Retail investors seem to be pulling their money out of the market. Where's it going?
Well, I think they are going to hold more cash, and actually that also matches our traditional practice. The market hold more cash before the Chinese New Year.
Are we seeing a rush towards US dollars at all, or gold?
I think the government is trying to have limit in order to limit the changing renminbi to US dollars. So I think they would just hold cash in renminbi.
So we're seeing people pulling their money out of the markets a bit earlier than normal ahead of the Lunar New Year.
Exactly.
We're also hearing some market watchers saying that in hitting the 2,900 point mark, the Shanghai Composite Index has reached a more reasonable valuation. Is that your view?
It is quite hard to say the value right now, but we could see that technically the price momentum is so weak. I think we would break that to 2,900 points in the next week, and then going to find the bottom, and that would be around 10 to 20% from the point we have right now, and then that would be a kind of new start for the market to find its fair value in the next quarter.
So we're looking at maybe hitting around 2,500 points before we see people really start to put their money back in.
Yeah, major institutional investors are looking for 2,500 as another entrance point for the stock market.
Well, we suppose we're just going to have to wait and see how quickly that happens. Thanks so much for joining us, Calvin.
Thank you.
And that's all we've got time for on Money Talks tonight. We can all hope for a better performance on the markets next week. A reminder before we go, Money Talks is now on air at this time every day, Monday to Friday. You can reach us at email at moneytalks@icshanghai.com and on WeChat at ICS Money Talks. We'll see you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.